Okay, M chassis. We got a new driver. This is the exhibition race to show off what the Tamiya M chassis front wheel drive looks like. M03s. Racers ready? We're gonna go on go. 3 laps. 1, 2, 3, go. Sang is on the second lap. These guys are on the second lap. The 2 Suzukis. Last lap for Sang. Is it both? It's not going anymore? Okay, bring it to the table. Something's weird. Sang wins it.